Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about earn stock money. What is earn money stocks? Investing the stocks can be powerful way to grow your wealth over time, but it's come with risks. Here are some ways you can potentially earn money through stocks. First, capital gain, selling stocks at a higher price. First, buy low, sell high. The most straightforward way to make money in stock is by buying share of companies at a low price and selling them when the price rises. Second, long-term investment. If you hold stock of several years, they may appreciate as the company grow and you can sell them for a profit. Third, short-term trading. Some people engage in more active trading, buying and selling stock over days or weeks to capitalize or price fluctuations. Second, dividends. First, dividend stocks may be companies pay dividends which are regularly paid to shareholders. These can be constant source of income. Dividend paying stocks are often found in more stable, mature companies. Second, reinvesting dividends. Instead of cashing out dividends, you can reinvest them to purchase more share, compounding your investment over time. Third, grow stock. Company with high potential grow stock from companies they are expected to grow at a above average rate compared to other in the market. These stocks do not usually pay dividends but may see their price increase significantly over time. Risk versus reward. While growth stocks have higher potential returns, they can also be volatile. Fourth, exchange traded fund ETFs. First, definition of the looking for a less risk but still want to explore the stock market. ETFs are great option. They contain a basket of stocks providing across various companies, sectors or industries. Second, index fund, a type of ETF that track a market index like a SP 500. These are low cost of passive way to invest in the stock. Fifth, option trading advance, call and put option. These give you a right stock and certain price to a certain date. While this can be lead to high profits, profit option are also their riskers and require a more knowledge. 6. Stock split and reverse stock splits. Stock splits, company may be split their stocks to lower to the share price and make them more accessible to retail investor. In the company continues to perform well, the stock price may rise again leading to gain. Rise stock splits. Sometimes companies concentrate their share into fewer high periods once. Tips for getting start. Educate yourself. Learn about market trends, different types of stocks, strategies, read books, watch financial news or take course of advising. Start small. If you new, consider starting a small investment and gradually increasing as become a more comfortable. Diversify. Put the all money in one stock. Don't spread in investment across different industries and sectors. Risk tolerance. Understand how much risks you willing to take. If you risk, you might want to stick to more stable companies or ETFs. Stay potential. Stock investing is often about a long games. Do not panic with short-term fluctuation. This is my video. Please like my channel. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.